You know, to be honest, never thought I'd be back in this punk ass city walking. It's some bullshit. These hoe ass niggas taking forever with my fucking car. Yeah, it's some bullshit. Like, they had that bitch for 2 weeks. I'm on some old. The parts on back order. Nah, back order these nuts. Fuck, I asked y'all before I even got my car towed to that bitch if y'all was gonna be able to finish that motherfucker in time. They were like, yeah, this should only take 5 to 10 days. Bitch, it's been how many motherfucking days? It's been 11. It's been like 12 days. Yep, it's been 12 days. I'm mad as hell. Got me walking around this bitch. I keep my stick on me though. But still, like, damn, it's hot as fuck. It's not like dry heat like back home. It's humid heat. So it's like somebody just put me in a fucking easy bake oven. Some bullshit. I gotta fucking call motherfuckers for rides and shit. I can't even fucking maneuver how I want to.